Hello again. Welcome back. I'm really happy you're here today. This is day 4 of our English journey, and you're doing great.
Oh yeah, 4 days already. That feels kind of exciting.
Yes, and today we're going to talk about something very simple, very useful. We're going to talk about today.
Today, okay. Like what I'm doing now?
Exactly. What you do today, how your day is going, and how you feel.
That sounds easy.
It is easy. And remember, we don't need big words. We just need clear, simple sentences.
Okay, I like that.
So let's start at the beginning of today, this morning. How did your day start?
Today I woke up early.
Nice. Say it again slowly.
Today I woke up early.
Perfect. And how did you feel when you woke up?
I felt a little sleepy.
Very natural. You can also say,
I felt tired, but okay.
excellent. Then what did you do?
I got out of bed and stretched.
Good. Stretching is a great word.
Yeah, my body needed it.
I understand that. Now, after you got up, what was next?
I went to the bathroom.
Nice and simple.
I washed my face and brushed my teeth.
Great. How was the water?
Oh, cold, very cold.
Yes, you can say,
The water is cold but refreshing.
perfect sentence. Now let's move to breakfast.
Okay, I had breakfast at home.
What did you eat today?
I ate bread and eggs.
And what did you drink?
I drank tea.
Nice. How was breakfast?
It was simple but good.
That sentence is perfect for beginners. Very clear, very natural.
Yeah, it feels easy to say.
Good. That's the goal. Now, after breakfast, what did you do?
I checked my phone for a few minutes.
Very real life.
Yeah, just a few minutes, not too much.
Of course. Then,
I got ready for the day.
good. You can also say,
I got dressed and packed my bag.
excellent. Now let's talk about the middle of the day.
Okay,
What did you do during the day?
today I worked and studied a little.
Nice. How was it?
It was a bit busy.
You can say, I felt busy, but focused.
Very good English. Now lunchtime.
Oh, yes. I had lunch around 1 p.m.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was tasty.
Great. After lunch, how did you feel?
A little tired.
That's normal. So you can say, after lunch, I felt a little tired.
Perfect. Now let's move to the afternoon.
In the afternoon, I continued my work.
Nice. Did you take any breaks?
Yes, I took a short break and relaxed.
Very good. Relax is an important word.
Yeah, it helps a lot.
Now it's evening.
Oh, my favorite time.
How did you feel in the evening?
I came back home and sat down.
How did you feel?
I felt tired but calm.
That's a beautiful sentence. Very real.
Yeah, evenings feel peaceful.
What did you do to relax?
I watched some videos and listened to music.
Nice. Music is great for learning English, too.
Yes, I try to listen in English.
That's excellent practice. Now, dinner time.
I had dinner at home
With family or alone?
with my family.
How was it?
It was nice. We talked and laughed.
That's great. Talking is good for the mind.
Yeah, I felt good after dinner.
Now let's talk about right now, this moment.
Right now, I am learning English.
Yes, you are. And how do you feel?
I feel motivated.
That makes me very happy to hear. You can also say,
I feel confident.
perfect. That's strong English.
Really?
Yes, really, because you're speaking without fear.
Yeah, I'm not translating so much.
Exactly. You're thinking in English.
It feels more natural now.
That's progress, real progress.
So every day I just talk about my day?
Yes, talk about today, talk about yesterday, and tomorrow we'll talk about the future.
Oh, interesting.
Small steps every day.
I like that.
Before we finish, let's say one last sentence.
Okay,
Say, today was a good day.
today was a good day.
Perfect. And it really was.
Yeah, it was.
Thank you so much for listening today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Yes, subscribe so you don't miss the next day.
Day 5 is coming and it's gonna be fun.
See you tomorrow. Keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.